Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Cardano update today, looking very good. We're gonna talk about that. Before we start, I just want to say thanks to everybody that was on the 10,000 live stream yesterday. It was kind of fun. We did a lot of altcoins on there, like 23 or something like that, so that was very fun. Also, for guys that haven't joined the Telegram group yet, very nice community, do join that and check the Patreon. We got this daily altcoin video going on, so that might be something for you. That said, that out of the way, we going into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and we're gonna look what's happening with Cardano. Cardano looks nice, man. Cardano looks really nice. So the first thing you're gonna notice here is that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green daily candles in a row, and that's support. And somebody was asking me in Telegram, like, how is Cardano doing today? Like, is it okay? 6 green candles in a row. Come on, come on. Also, I want you to notice that this top over here was all the way up here, and then you got a higher top, and then you got a higher top. So what you actually got is this rising top. You got some kind of uptrend, like this is uptrend, right? You cannot take you cannot mistake that. Also, we are right now watching this rising wedge over here that's actually happening, hitting our target exactly on the dollar. I don't know, somebody was mentioning, yes, you just redrew this after it hit there. No, I did not redrew this. I drew this this line up here when we were down here, and I saw these two stops were going up here, so I said there might be some kind of resistance when we are going. Just go like a couple of videos back, like there is some kind of resistance here, and then what happened? We went back and we hit that resistance, because that's resistance. Resistance get hit and they get rejected usually if that's not a very if it's hard resistance, it got rejected. It got rejected, and that's normal. That's perfectly fine. What we now have is we have confirmation that right now we are looking at this triangle up here. Sorry, this wedge up here. So this thing that was going like this, this triangle, that's finished. That's finished. We are out of the triangle. Now we have to get out of the wedge. So this is gonna pick up. So as you see now, already now it's like we are kind of pumping, but I say it's gonna go all the way down there and hit the bottom. It might be just doing something like this and get out of the wedge. What I'm saying is, while we are inside the wedge over here, we can expect not that fast movement. Like XRP and Dogecoin, those things goes very fast up, right? But ADA is kind of slow mover in the start, right? So we can expect some kind of slow movement and then slowly going up. But once we break this this resistance up here, it's gonna go faster. And when we break the target at 1.9, it's gonna go faster. So it's gonna be picking up speed little by little, right? So that's what we're looking at. Just like over here, it's kind of goes slow, faster, and then it goes fast, and then it gets into the consolidation. And the same thing happening here right now. This is the very start, but we broke this all-time high. We retested the all-time high. You can see here, if you zoom in on the chart, this was the all-time previous local all-time high, right? We broke that, we retested that, we went all the way actually back down to 131 resistance, previous resistance that now acting as support. Tested it with wick, bounced off of that, went all the way up there as well, and now we are having this candle, which is just giving us like small movement upwards. Very nice. We got very nice support on the 10 moving average, 50 moving average, and this area here that was very important before prior. Was acting as very resistance, is now acting as support. So if we ever start falling below out of this rising wedge, this support line, this around 1.2221, should be regarded as a very nice support line. So if you start falling down, like we want to hit this and hold this, or 150 in the previous line, all the way out there. So we got some support like 115, 120, or 131 is very good support. So there are multiple nice supports on the way down. But right now we are not looking at support. We are looking up the moon. Where's the moon? Where's the Mars? Where's Pluto? You know, we're looking upwards, right? So we don't really care where supports are. So the only two supports we care about right now is this 31 line. And we're gonna care about that all the way up to 23rd, 24 Mars, because after that, if it starts below, falling below, then it's like it's probably go below 31 as well. But right now in this triangle up here, we still care about, because it can actually go all the way down to this line up here, down here. So we're still gonna keep the 31 support, and we're gonna actually see what's actually happening. The 1.9 is target. That's the target for this breakout. So once it got out of this triangle, the target should be all the way up here, but it might be actually kind of slow, because it's gonna go like this and then hit this target up here. When it's actually exactly gonna happen, we have to just follow and see what's actually happening. Just a second. Beside that, everything else looks very nice on Cardano. The daily RSI is only at 70. We got a bullish MACD cross on the weekly. This rubber band index is at 82. So indicators showing very nice levels. We can also check the volume, although I don't like to look at the volume that much. You can see here that the volume is picking up nicely as we're climbing up, so this is confirming that this breakout is actually real and it's actually happening. So I don't actually expect this to fall back or something like that. Right now, like I'm saying to you guys, we are looking at this rising wedge. We are looking at the moving averages. We want to hold the 10 and 20 in the uptrend and stuff like that. Right now we held this in correction. We held this 50 moving average, but once we start going uptrend, we want to hold 10 and 20 moving average on the way up. Beside that, again, everything looks normal, everything looks fine. Don't panic, don't look at small time frames. That's very important, because people tell Telegram group all the time look at small time frames. And it almost entire session yesterday at live stream, I was telling people, stop looking at small time frames, daily and weekly, and relax. You know, your life is gonna be healthier. If you know how to do technical analysis, you're a professional at it, go ahead, look at the 5-minute chart, no problem. But people that don't know how technical analysis work, they go and look at the 5-minute chart and 1-hour chart and 50-minute chart and whatever, and they panic. Literally panic when you got 6 green candles in a row, you know. That said, do check the Telegram channel, really nice community. Also, subscribe to the channel. 10k subs yesterday, we had 10k subs stream, very nice people. So we are growing, we are nice, and I like the video, because, you know, YouTube likes the algorithm likes the likes. Yes, and the last thing, like at the very end of the video, if you have watched this far, do check out the Patreon page, because on Patreon page we got something that's called daily altcoins video, and if you want to know what's good to buy, or what's pumping, what's not pumping, what are the no thanks coins, you should probably check the Patreon page. It's not very expensive, like cost you like $1 per video, like, per day, like, and we got do like 30 videos in a month, so it's very nice. Do check it out. Thanks for watching, bye bye.